Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up from a very long sleep. Murag na pa ko jet lag so kasamang pagbiyahe gikan sa Pilipinas paingon diri sa America. So it's very cold outside because of the winter season and it makes me lazy to go out. So mag-coffee sa ta para nga mawala nito ang katugnaw. So mao ni ang atong Keurig coffee machine. Ato na siyang gamiton karon para dali ra nato mahimo ang atong coffee. So I like Keurig coffee machine because it only takes about 2 minutes and you can have a very delicious brewed coffee. So ang imong una buhaton is magpili lang ka diri. So I choose this one, the decaf. Okay, para dili kay siya pait. And the next thing that you're gonna do is to open this one. Okay, press to open. And then take this out. Kaya ako na gigamit kaganiha, kagahapon di ay. And I will replace that one with this decaf, a powdered coffee cup. And then after that, you just close it. Okay? Imo na siyang isarado. Pag sarado nimo, mag-open na yun siya ang box diri sa likod. Diri sa likod, naa diri ang butanganan sa iyang tubig. So kung unsa ka daghan ng imong tubig, ingon na pod kadaghan ng imong coffee. So and then I will put it here diri sa likod. Okay, butang na to diri. Ana siya. So you just have to fill the cup, okay? Full level. We close it and then put the cup. Imong ibutang imong cup diri. Alright, ingon ana siya. Okay, press the button. Like that. Yeah, nakita nimo nga naka-red heating. So you just have to wait for 1 minute. Here it is, nanang atong coffee. That smells really delicious. Okay, so na ato ang fresh brewed coffee. Pwede na nato mainom, but you can add sugar, okay? Pwede mo butangan og sugar, pwede mo butangan og milk or cream, whatever you like to add. Okay, so this smells really delicious. It's really good. So have a good day and Merry Christmas everyone.